Hi, and welcome to the channel. For today, we're taking a look at this model we printed from online. This was a file we got from a site called Thingiverse. So the model itself is great, but it has just one problem. So as you can see, the lid is far too loose and the game cards just fall out. The problem is this lip right here, not been designed for a snug fit. When we put the lid on the box, far too much play. This should click in with just a little pressure, hold it in place so not to fall off. This becomes a perfect teaching opportunity. So I sit down with my youngest daughter, and I teach her how to measure all the parts of the lid so that we can design our own version. Then we can change some of the dimensions to make it fit perfectly. Once we had our measurements and a basic sketch, it was time to bring the idea into CAD. This is where I start guiding my daughter through the process in a way that works for her. She's autistic, and that means traditional instruction doesn't always click. So instead of rushing through steps, break everything down into small manageable chunks, one challenge at a time. It might take longer this way, but it helps her feel in control and not overwhelmed. We focus on building understanding, not just completing tasks. And as she starts to connect the dots, we can see her confidence growing with each step. That's the real win for me, not the final design, but helping her realise that she can do this. After a bit of trial and error, we managed to fully recreate the lid model. Once she understood the process, she was able to adjust the dimensions exactly how we needed. It was a proud moment. She'd taken full control of the design. With the design finished, we shift to the hardware side of things. For my daughter, hands-on learning makes all the difference. It's how her autistic mind truly connects with new ideas. We work with the tools we have, which are a bit basic, but I guide her through the process of setting up the 3D printer, explaining how each part works and why it matters. From there, we prepare the model for printing. I walk her through the essential slicer settings to get the best results we can from our machine. We go slow, step by step, to keep things manageable and avoid overload. Rather than lead the way entirely, I give her space to explore, offering quiet support when she needs it. It's incredible what she's able to achieve with just a bit of guidance. I can't help but imagine what she could do with better tools built for this kind of learning. And when she's ready, she sends the model off to the printer and watches as her creation comes to life. This project is about more than just making things. It's about helping my children build skills and confidence in a way that works for them. With better tools and the right support, there's no telling where they could go next. Thank you for watching and taking the time to understand our journey.